The Delhi Assembly session resumes, there are more fireworks expected in the House. The newly formed BJP government in Delhi has tabled the first of the 14 CAG reports. Now, the BJP goes on to claim that this report on the Aam Aadmi Party's government's controversial liquor policy was suppressed for almost 2 years. That's the BJP's claim. Now, this CAG report mentions that implementing the now scrapped liquor policy by the former Aam Aadmi Party-led government in Delhi resulted in an overall loss of 2002 crore of revenue. Now, the BJP also goes on and claims that there has been an attempt to stall 14 CAG reports in the Vidhan Sabha, and the BJP then alleges that the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal intended to see that their corruption is not revealed to the world, and that is why they were never even discussed.
किसी को 1.5 साल, किसी को 5 साल, ऐसे लंबे समय तक विधानसभा में पेश करने से रोका गया। पीछे मंशा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और आम आदमी पार्टी की ये थी कि भ्रष्टाचार के जो गुनाह उनके सामने आए हैं उनको जग जाहिर ना होने दिया जाए, उस पर चर्चा ना हो। अब वो जनता के सामने आ गई, दिल्ली विधानसभा का एक हिस्सा बनी। जो मोदी जी ने कहा था कि हम सत्ता में आते ही उन रिपोर्ट्स को जग जाहिर करेंगे, विधानसभा में लाएंगे, वो दिल्ली की लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी ने करके दिखाया है। अब साफ समझ आता है कि किंग पिन शराब घोटाले के अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चेहरा बचाने के लिए अब अपने राज्यसभा के सांसदों के घर खाली करवा रहे हैं, उस पर कब्जा कर रहे हैं और बैकडोर से राज्यसभा में एंट्री लेने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
So the BJP there once again is leveling the kingpin charge at Arvind Kejriwal. Now, the liquor policy scam, which involved massive financial irregularities in its formulation, led to the arrest of top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including Arvind Kejriwal, his former deputy Manish Sisodia, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh, and former Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain. The BJP has announced that it would table all the 14 pending CAG reports during the ongoing assembly session. And now, how is the Congress party reacting? The Congress party is demanding a discussion on the issue, highlighting the discrepancies. Now, the Congress also goes ahead and demands that a criminal investigation in the case should be initiated. More reactions from the Congress now coming in. Let's listen in.
बहुत सारी डिस्क्रिपेंसीज इस नई पॉलिसीज़ में हैं, जिसमें विशेष रूप से जैसे आपने कहा कि मोनोपोली की तरफ सीएजी की रिपोर्ट में ये भी कहा गया है कि क्वालिटी कंट्रोल पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया गया है। उनके ऊपर चेक और बैलेंसेस जो थे वो उस समय की सरकार ने नज़रअंदाज किए हैं। दिल्ली की जनता के साथ धोखा भी मैं मानता हूँ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी भी हमारा मानना है कि इसमें संलिप्त है, क्योंकि उसी समय के जो राज्यपाल थे उन्होंने इसकी इजाज़त दी थी।
Now, before the session begins, warfare has begun between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party goes on and claims that they've been suspended for raising the Jai Bhim slogan. The Aam Aadmi Party, now it is Atishi who's leading the charge against the BJP, and here she goes ahead and she says, भाजपा वालों ने सरकार में आते ही तानाशाही की हदें पार कर दी। जय भीम के नारे लगाने के लिए 3 दिन के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायकों को सदन से निलंबित किया और आज आप विधायकों को विधानसभा परिसर में घुसने भी नहीं दिया जा रहा। So here, Atishi goes on to claim that BJP is reflecting its dictatorial tendencies. That's the charge from Atishi. And then she also goes on to say that first they were suspended for raising the Jai Bhim slogan, and now Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are not being allowed to enter the premises of the Vidhan Sabha. ऐसा दिल्ली विधानसभा के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ कि चुने हुए विधायकों को विधानसभा परिसर के अंदर नहीं घुसने दिया गया. So we have Isha currently joining us. Isha, what's happening at the Delhi Assembly? Because here the Aam Aadmi Party claims that our MLAs are not being allowed. What's the drama that's unfolding there?
Sagrika, this is to give our viewers a little bit more context. This is the same Aam Aadmi Party which behaved in a very dictatorial fashion when they were in power. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party is also notorious for not letting journalists enter inside the Vidhan Sabha. So now they are alleging, they are stating that they are not being allowed to enter the Vidhan Sabha. The BJP is not letting them enter. But what actually did happen in the Vidhan Sabha was that they were raising slogans of Jai Bhim. They were raising slogans of an issue which was a non-issue. Because clearly Basically, the photos were just shuffled around. The photos of Baba Saheb were not removed from
Yes.
Rekha Gupta's cabin. Neither was it removed from any other minister's cabin as well.
So the focus
Aam
is
Aadmi
on
Party's
Aap-era scams. Anisha, I'll have to interject because we have to take a short commercial break. The focus is on scams during the Aam Aadmi Party era. CAG reports are going to be tabled. The BJP is gunning for the Aam Aadmi Party. We'll have to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.